There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary.
What's your plan for today? Huh? Hey guys, ito pala yung first video natin na nagka-haircut siya. Guwapong-guwapo, no? Guwapong-guwapo, baby, no? Hi guys, welcome to my new haircut vlog. Okay, let's go. Ready to walk? Ready for a walk? Yeah? Ready for a walk. Let's go. Ow, ow. Ow, ow. There's ow, ow. Ow, ow. Alright, let's have breakfast. Yay! The baby is eating rice and egg. Tapos meron tayo dito, corned beef, and then, yan, sobra ng mga bata. Let's eat, guys. Hello, everyone! Gising na yan, guys! Nag-nap na yan! 1 hour and 30 minutes yung nap niya. Yeah! And then, may plano yan na kunin yung laptop ko. Yes. Tapos na ito maligo, guys. Si Mami ang wala pang ligo. Yeah. Yeah. Feeling fresh? Ay. Feeling fresh? Ay. Feeling fresh? Agay! Stop biting, anak. Bless, Mami. Agay! No biting. Bless lang. Agay, agay, agay. Ahoy! Agay, agay. Kumakati na naman siguro itong gums nito. So, mayroon na siyang 4 na ngipin sa itaas at 2 sa baba. So, probably yung sa baba, nag-ano na naman yan. Kati-kati na naman yan, no? Something's growing there. Hey guys, naglilinis tayo ng room natin, guys. Tapos na yan, kumain. Kumain na din kami. Diyan, marami pa akong ililigpit dyan. Dito, tapos na ako nagligpit ng ating bed. Though, may mga gamit pa ni baby na nandyan. Kunin ko yan. And yung baby natin is here, of course. Kung saan si Mami, nandyan din yan siya. So, nanonood siya ng Cocomelon Lane while I'm cleaning. So, ito is, kailangan ko itong alisin. Yan, kumakanta. You boys, and thank you, baby.
How do you do this?
I don't remember though. I think i-fold na siya nga mag-abot sila tanan. I-like
Old, mag-abot na. Oh, is that?
Oo. Ana, dili? Hey guys, good evening. Let's have dinner. So, naligpit na namin yung ano guys, oh, andyan pa. I-box na lang natin yan. Naghahanap pa kami ng box na maano dyan, malagyan. And then we will put it in the storage. So, yan ang baby natin. Kumakain na yan ng chicken. Si Kuya Daryl tapos na po yung kumain.
Guys, I'm done eating now.
Done eating. Thank you, Lord. So, ito yung ulam natin, guys. Mung beans with sutanghon. And then, meron din tayong chicken dito. Ayan. Yung baby, kumakain ng chicken. Kuya Daryl is done. Si Kuya Vince, what happened to Kuya Vince? Where's Kuya Vince? Lagay ko kayo dyan, guys. Yan. So, si Kuya Vince, hindi nag-practice ng soccer. Andito na si Kuya Vince. May ano pala sila, guys, may school activities na kailangan nilang tapusin. They need to perform a, sorry, what's that? Role play tomorrow.
Luckily, I did all of mine. Almost all of mine.
So, yung pinapakain ko kay baby is yung mung bean soup.
Look who arrived.
Look who's there. Who's that? Good evening, Kuya. How's the practice, man?
It was good, yeah.
You ready for tomorrow?
Yeah, we're ready.
Oh, si Kuya, oh, hindi makita sa camera, guys, sa tangkad niya, guys. Oh. Eating mungus also. No, di ba, guys? Very good kay akong mga boys. My boys are so very good. Eat mungus. Mungus soup. Oh, what's that?
My book.
Oh, your book. Kuya Warren. Ay, slowly na. Okay, come on here. Come on out na. Yes. Maglinis muna tayo, guys, and then linisan ko yung baby. Come here, Nabi. So, hilamusan ko yan and get ready na to for bed.
Look at it.
Yeah?
Look.
What's that? Yung muscle. Gusto niya talaga magka-muscle, guys, pero hindi naman nagka-muscle. Are you going to study? Mag-study ang baby?
Yes. This is study.
Study daw siya, oh. Oh. See, bantay bitaw, ha? When you're in school, ha? If you are in school na, you will not study like Kuya. Bring your shoes there, Bing. Oh, why it's there man under the bed? Put it there in the kuan. Where you put the shoes.
I want to put this in the bed.
Why?
So I can get it quickly.
Come here na, Baba. Come on. I need to go change na. So, ito na yung vlog natin, guys. Salamat sa panonood nyo. Thank you so much, everyone, for the continued support and for watching our family vlog. Say bye-bye to the guys.
You bye and join our club.
Bye, Darren.